Hi, Nicola Grace, the Mission Mentor here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the place where conscious entrepreneurs are going to come and feel supported in their journey to make a bigger difference and leave a legacy. We're the ones that have been given the job of transforming the planet, helping humanity come to the new earth, that golden age of prosperity that is working for everyone, that has those beautiful values of inclusion, sharing, caring, loving, cooperation, collaboration, sustainability. And I know as a conscious entrepreneur myself, there's a bandwidth that is needed for somebody to hold my vision. I can't just work with anybody or listen to anybody. I need somebody who's got that wide bandwidth to be able to hold my vision and hold my mission and purpose. And that's what I'm here to support you through, holding that really big berth for the big vision, for the new work that gets downloaded, for the evolutionary process of your purpose, your mission, through your own awakening, because as conscious leaders, we're going through this awakening process before the rest of humanity does, so we can turn around and then serve them better. And that is a process that we also have to manage while we're operating profitable businesses, right? And it's not always that easy. I know that because I've just come out of my own midlife crisis that went on a little bit too longer, so that I worked that I wanted it to. So I know the juggling between those moments where, you just want to cut off and retreat from the world, and yet here you are with a client base, and you're going through this transformation while others are really relying on you to help them through whatever they're going through. And that balance of being available as well as being available to the bigger calling in that moment of awakening is something that does need to get managed. So I'm going to have 3 shows to support you. The first one is the Mission Mojo show, which is all about the alignment process, because that is an evolutionary channel that we have to walk through to get to that ultimate level of feeling like we are absolutely not just fulfilling our purpose, but we're fulfilling the greatest meaning that our lives have. So in those videos, we'll look at all of the new ways of getting our message out into the world. We're heading into AI, robots, Web 3.0, cryptocurrency is definitely something that's taking off and we need to be looking at. So how do we stay relevant within our mission-driven businesses, as well as be in those places that are going to help people the most, right? And then the second show is New Earth Leadership, which focuses more on the awakening process and the self-development of us stepping into those leadership roles in greater and greater meaningful ways as we are rolling out the evolutionary process of the purpose fulfillment. And then the third show is Conscious Conversations. These are conversations with other influencers, people that are transforming minds, transforming lives, transforming humanity. We're not only having conversations that are interesting to listen to and are of higher consciousness, but right then and there, as we're having those conversations, we are in the process of what I've learned from Amit Goswami, one of my favorite influencers, called quantum activism, using science of mind, using quantum physics to actually shift consciousness then and there. So as you participate in that conversation, you're also participating in the shifting of consciousness and the raising of the frequency on the planet. So if all of that sounds interesting, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel, click the bell and hit all so you get notified when the shows go live or when we're uploading recordings of our videos and our tutorials and conversations. And also would love for you to like this video. You can find out more about me and about the work that we do with all of the different links up on the banner there for our social media profiles. I will warn you though, I am not big on social media. I have managed to build a global online business without having a big social media following, because I've been following alignment principles of the laws of nature that mean that social media, if it's something that you're not interested in, it isn't necessarily going to be the death of your business. And I'm going to be teaching you about that alignment process. But I am on social media just because we have to have a presence there, right? And I would love for you to join me there. Mostly I'm focusing on YouTube. There are also some links below this video in the description area where you can check out my body of work. I look forward to getting to know you, meet you, learn about your missions as we spend time together on this channel. Bye for now.